my dear art fellows, I have some news for you that I was planning for a long time, and I was thinking that what I was doing on my channel, it's wonderful, but it's not entirely what I want to do with my channel. I would like to share more of me, and I hope you could support me in the changes that I'm gonna implement into my channel. So what I was planning to do is, of course, don't worry, I will keep teaching you, I will keep showing you the ways how to paint in Procreate, how to use traditional mediums. By the way, I'm gonna add some traditional medium short classes to my channel, because sometimes we can be so tired from the Procreate and we just want to have this feeling how to hold the brush, how to paint on paper. So I'm gonna share with you what I do, how I paint with traditional medium, and I hope it might be useful for you too, and you might find some tips that will help you to, I don't know, like boost an inspiration in your art. Or maybe you can share with me your own art techniques and I will be happy to try them as well. So what I was planning is not just show you tutorials, but also show you the way how I create some behind the scenes moments. I have lots of stationery, so I just want to show with you what I have. Also, I want to show you how I find inspiration, where I find inspiration, what is my inspiration. Maybe I will share with you the thoughts about the movies or, I don't know, cartoons that I recently watched, and I can share with you some lovely, because mostly I paint some cute stuff, some lovely illustrations of some main characters that I like. Maybe you will like them as well, and we have something similar. I have so many artists that I follow that I like a lot, and I realize that the best videos are the videos where artists just share their daily routine, when they show how they create art, what they usually do, because the videos are so relaxing, so inspirational. I had some thoughts about painting series of illustration related to magic, because I'm a huge fan of Harry Potter. So, and I was thinking that it might be great to create something like in one style, if you might say so. Don't worry, I will keep posting some short tutorials about painting some lovely, cute things that will not take lots of time. I'm gonna add more content about the things that I like, that inspire me, and that might inspire you as well. So let's try those new things in the new video. I hope you will like it. I hope you will support it. I'm worried, of course I'm worried, because this is new things, this is totally different than what I was creating before. Let's try. And guys, I wish you lots of inspiration, lots of creativity when you create, and let's create together.